Very good morning, dear students. Last class we are seeing level 2 problems up to 11. Now we are going to see 12th onwards today. So question how they are asking once you read. If A equal to 1 square matrix of order 2 by 2, determinant of A1, A2, A3 and so on 2015. So first they are asking determinant of A1, determinant of A2, determinant of A3 and so on, determinant of 2015. So from this, determinant of A1 means just you observe K equal to A K, this is A K equal to right, A K equal to this one. So A1 we have to calculate, means K equal to 1 if you replace 1 0 0 1. A2 means K equal to 2 means 2 1 1 2. K equal to 3 means 3 2 2 3 plus and so on. A equal to 2015. So 2015, 2014, again this is 2014, 2015. So once we'll check what is determinant of AK, we'll see. Determinant of AK. So determinant of AK means this is K square minus of K minus 1 whole square, nothing but K square minus this is A minus B whole square, A square minus 2K plus 1. So this is cancelled. So finally 2K minus 1, or just I will rewrite like this. AK means this is also not necessary. So AK means, see, determinant of AK equal to 2K minus 1. What is A1 means K equal to 1 means it is 1. A2 means K equal to 2, that is 3. Then A3 means K equal to 3 and so on. So what is AK means, this is later I will calculate, that is 2K minus 1. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus and so on, 2K minus 1 means sum of the 2K minus 1 odd natural numbers means that is K square. So actually what they are asking up to 2015 means K equal to 2015. So that is 2015 whole square. See how you got this one means sum of the 2K minus 1 odd natural numbers. Actually in this problem answer is 2015 whole square. Just I will prove how you got sum of the 2K minus 1 odd natural numbers is K square or not. Suppose Tk equal to, listen, Tk equal to 2K minus 1. So sum of the Tk. So sum of the Tk means summation of this is 2K minus 1 means K running from 1 to n. So 2 into summation of K minus summation of 1. So 2 into summation of K means that is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 minus summation of 1 means 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, like that n times means that is n. So 2 cancel. So n into n means n square plus n minus n. So finally this is n square. So you observe Tk sum of the 2K minus 1 odd natural numbers means n square. like that 2k minus 1 numbers means n square. So you can write n square also, no problem. So they are asking up to 2015 means this is the given expression value. So like that we have to answer this question. Next. Question number 13. Matrix capital A given by this is 6, 11, 2, 4. Then the determinant of A 2015 minus 6 into A 2014. They are asking this determinant value. So options will see once. First option is 2 to the power 2016. Second option minus 11 into 2 to the power 2015. Third option minus 2 to the power 2015 into 7. Fourth option minus 9 into 2 to the power 2014. So whatever the options it is, let it be. First we will see this one. Determinant of A to the power 2015 minus 6 into determinant of 6 into A to the power 2014. So 15 here 14. So see here. Determinant of I will write here only. So from this determinant of A power 2014, if I take common means determinant of A to the power 2014, then what we left here? A minus 6, nothing but identity matrix. So determinant of A will see once. What is the determinant of A means? Determinant of 6, 11, 2, 4. So how to calculate 6 4s are minus 22, nothing but 2. Means det A equal to 2 means here det A whole power 2014 means we can write determinant of A 2000 whole power 2014. A minus 6i, very clear. I will write A minus 6i how to write. All the principal diagonal elements subtracted by 6. So A minus 6 means 6 minus 6, nothing but 0. No changes in second element. This is 11 because identity matrix is 1 0 0 1. So like that if you calculate, then 2 means no changes. 4 principal diagonal elements, that is 4 minus 6, nothing but minus 2. So clearly det A means 2 to the power 14. 2 to the power 14. So this is 0 minus 22. So this is 2014. This is minus 11 into 2 also we can write because options minus 22 is not there. So 2 into 2014 nothing but 2015 into minus 11. See there 4 options. Minus 11 into 2000, 2 to the power 2050. So that is the answer. Like that we have to answer. Next. Question number 14. How they are asking question? A determinant of x to the power n, x to the power n plus 1, x to the power n plus 2, y to the power n, y to the power n plus 1, y to the power n plus 2, z to the power n to the power n plus 1, z to the power n plus 2 equal to, they are asking question, x minus y into y minus z into z minus x into 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. So then the value of n, then the value of n. So first option minus 1, second option minus 2, third option 1, fourth option 2. So very clear. One determinant equal to, like this they given one expression. So then what is the value of n? So you can verify with options. Means n equal to minus 1 if you substitute here, you have to simplify the determinant and comparison. So I think little bit lengthy according to that concept. So now we'll follow like this. This ILHS part I am taking. So from the first row x power n common, from the second row y to the power n common, from the third row z to the power n common. So this is from R1, this is from R2, this is from R3. So first row x power n common means what will have 1 x square. Second row y power n common means y square. Third row z power n common means 1 z square. This is as this will write. Already one standard result is there. 1a square, 1b b square, 1c c square. See here. This one how to write? X to the power n, y to the power n, z to the power n. So this determinant how to write? X minus y into y minus z into z minus x. So if you write like that, means see here x minus y minus z, z minus x. So like this it is there, x power n plus 1. Sorry, this is n plus 2, n plus 3. So x power n common means this is x square, x cube, x square, y cube, z square, z cube. So a square, a cube means again remaining extra xy plus yz plus zx. So this is one standard result you should remember. So you observe, when you will get these type of expressions, see this one you compare, both will same are there. Suppose x, y, z, this is x power n, y power n, z power n means you can write x, y, z whole power n also we can write. Very clear. Suppose n equal to first option, if I substitute n equal to first option means minus 1. X, y, z whole power minus 1 means 1 by x, y, z. If you write here x, y by x, y, z means x, y cancel 1 by z. So clearly n equal to minus 1 if I substitute, what will get? C. X minus y, y minus z, z minus x divided by x, y, z, because this is x, y, z whole power minus 1 means divided by x, y, z means this is 1 by z, this is 1 by x, this is 1 by y. Same values we got. Then when it is possible means n equal to 1 minus 1 is the correct option. So this is one standard result you should remember. So in the entrance exams you should remember some standard result. Then only you can save the time in the entrance exam. So that these type of question instead of x, y, z they'll ask a, b, c or p, q or like that. Whatever let them ask, no problem. So this is n value always minus 1. You remember that concept. Next. Next question. 15. If determinant of 0 cos x minus sin x 0 cos x sin x 0 equal to means whole square equal to determinant of 1 minus a minus a 1 a 1. Then the value of a they are asking question. Value of a. Options also. So first option sin x. Second option cos x. Third option sin x into cos x. Fourth option sin x minus cos x. So we'll expand this determinant whole square equal to this is also will expand. See, if I expand this along with along with first row, what happens? 0 into something 0. This is plus minus plus. Then minus cos x into corresponding column, corresponding row if you delete sin x into 0 minus cos square x minus sin x into this one sin square x. So this is whole square because here whole square is there, here also whole square. Then this determinant you observe 1 into, if you close this curve, this is plus minus plus 1 minus a square plus a into this column closed minus a square plus a into minus a square minus a. So very clear. This is minus cos x into minus cos square x means cos cube x. So minus sin cube x whole square. This one will simplify. What will get? 1 minus a square minus a square minus a cube minus a cube minus a square. So you observe, because here 1 minus 2a square minus 3a square minus 2a cube. So this one also we have to express like that only. So cos cube means a minus b whole cube formula. So a minus b whole cube means this is cos power, sorry, a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2 into, that is sin power 3x into sin cube x into cos cube x equal to 1 minus 2a square minus 3a square minus 2a cube. So you observe again, this is, can you write a cube wholes or a square whole cube means cos square x whole cube sin square x whole cube. So a cube plus b cube, how to write? A plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b we can write. A plus b. So if you write like that, then what happens we'll see. So from this, means a cube whole square means a square plus b square is there. Means a cube plus b cube is there. So how to write this one? Cos square x plus sin square x whole cube minus 3 into sin square x into cos square x minus 2 into minus 3 into a plus b. Nothing but this is sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1 minus 3a square minus 2a cube. So anyhow this is 1 minus this is also 1. So just you compare, listen, this is 1 gone. So again minus is there, So one more. You observe, this is cos square x whole cube plus sin square x whole cube means a cube plus b cube means a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b, already minus 2 into this is sin square x into cos square x equal to how much it is 1 minus 3a square minus 2a cube. Listen, cos square x plus sin square x means 1. So final answer I am writing. So this is 1. So this is also 1. So finally minus 3 sin square x cos square x minus 3 sin square x cos square x minus this is AB, no? AB means this is a cube. Listen, cos cube x cos square x whole cube plus sin square x whole cube means a plus b whole cube minus 3ab. So 3ab means a means sin square x, b means cos square x, b means cos square x into a plus b. So a plus b means how much we got? This is sin cube x cos cube x, right? Minus 3 sin square x cos square x minus 2 sin cube x into cos cube x equal to, finally what we left here, 1 minus 3a square minus 2a cube. So just you compare, 1 cancel, minus 3 sin square x cos square x, this is a square. So very clear, a value we can write sin x into cos x. A value sin x into cos x. So we can give third option is the answer. So this is the way of answering this type of question. Next question. If a equal to determinants like this they given, then what is the value of t? Options will see. So first option 5, second option 6, third option minus 2. Fourth option, it is 2. So which is correct option means t value we have to calculate. So blind identification. So a equal to 1, b equal to 2, c equal to 3 will take. So what is this determinant value? See here, a plus b means 3, b plus c means 5, c plus a means 4, c plus a means 4, a plus b means 3, b plus c means 5, b plus c means 5, c plus a means 4, a plus b means 3 equal to determinant of 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. So from this, just to expand this determinant, what will get? According to first row, we'll expand. So 3 into 9 minus 20 minus 5 into 12 minus 25 plus 4 into 16 minus 15 equal to, determinant of ABC, BCA, CAB. What is this determinant? 3ABC minus AQ minus BQ minus CQ. Like that. See, 3ABC, 3 into 1 into 2 into 3. 3 into 1 means 3, into 2 means 6, into 3 means 18. So, minus AQ means minus 1 cube, minus BQ, minus 2 cube, minus CQ, minus 3 cube, that will be 27. So, finally, you observe 3 into minus 11, so nothing but minus 33, direct answer I will write. This is minus 33. So 12 minus 13 into minus 5 means it will be 65. 4 into this is plus 4. So t into this is minus 28, 35, 36 plus 18 nothing but minus 18. So this is 69 minus 33 nothing but this is 36 equal to t into minus 18. So minus 2 times cancel. So t equal to minus 2. So t equal to minus 2 means third option we have to take. Next question. If x, y, z, see, x, y, z are integers, they are in arithmetic progression, means AP, lying between 1 and 9 and x15, y41, z31 are the 3 digits are 3-digit numbers. Then the value of determinant of 5, 4, 3, x51, y41, z31, x, y, z. They are asking question. So once options will see, that is x plus y plus z, second option, x minus y plus z, third option, 0, fourth option, x plus 2y plus z. See here, if x, y, z are integers, they are in AP lying between 1 and 9. Between 1 and 9, these x, y, z we are taking. X15 means this is the 3-digit number. Suppose 315 means how to write 300 plus 10 plus 5. So like that, x100 plus 10 plus 15 we have to write. So that is the question they are asking. So what is this determinant value question? Only one step, by seeing itself we can put answer. X, Y, Z lying between 1 and 5 means very simple trick. X value 5, 4, 3. If I take what happens? X, Y, Z are in AP means 5, 4, 3 also are in AP. So if I take this determinant very clear, see this is 5, 4, 3, X 15, Y 14, Z 31, X value 5, Y value 4, Z value 3. See, these two rows are identical, then the value of the determinant will be 0. So clearly we can give third option answer. So you remember, in any problem, X, Y, Z are in AP or GP or HP means maximum 99% value of the determinant will be 0 only. So that point you have to remember. So like that you have to answer. Next time. Number 19. So what they are asking question we will see once. If the entries of in 3 by 3 matrix determinant are either 0 or 1. See, suppose A equal to 1 matrix Aij of order 3 by 3. In this determinant, the determinant of whose entries of order 3 by 3 are 0 or 1. Then the greatest value of their determinants. Then the greatest value of their determinant. So we'll see options also. 1, 2, 3, 9. First option 1. Second option 2, 3, 9. You remember, suppose AB 1 square matrix, or this is a determinant. This is a determinant of order 3 by 3. Whose entries either 0 or 1. Total how many elements are there? 9 elements. You remember, to get the greatest value of the determinant, all the principal diagonal elements 0, 0 you put. Remaining 1, 1, 1, 1 you take. So what is this determinant you tell me? 0 according to first row you expand. First row. So 0 into something 0. Minus 1 into, see, if you close this column, this row, 1 into 0 minus 1 plus 1 into, you close this column and this row, 1 minus 0. So very clear, this is 1 plus 1, so answer will be 2. So the greatest value of the determinant is 2. You remember, when you will get greatest value means determinant value 2. What is the least means 0. When you will get 0 means, suppose completely 1 row 0, 0, this is 1, 1, 1, 1 you put, this is the least value 0. So that point you have to remember. Next question. Number 20. If A, B, C are the pth, qth or terms of HP, then the value of the determinant, see, BC, CA, AB, P, Q, R. So this determinant they are asking question. Options also I will write. First option 1, second option 0, third option ABC, fourth option that is A square plus B square plus C square. I told already A, B, C or any HP or GP, AP if they come means maximum 99% value of the determinant will be 0 only. So we'll see what is the theoretical procedure. A, B, C are the P, Qth R terms of HP. So reciprocals 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are the terms of AP. Reciprocals are in AP. So 1 by A means how to write the pth term. So 1 by A equal to pth term means first term P minus 1 into D. 1 by B means A plus Q minus 1 into 1 by C equal to A plus R minus 1 into D. So if you take like this, then here 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C is not there. Suppose from the first row, if I take means all the first column elements here multiplying with the ABC. Here multiply means here we have to divide. Means what will get 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C, P, Q, R, 1, 1. So finally, we'll apply this operation. What is the operation? See, R2 changes to R2 minus R1. Otherwise, if I substitute values here, 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C here. So this is 1 by A means A plus P minus 1 into D, A plus Q minus 1 into D, A plus R minus 1 into D. This is P, Q, R, 1, 1, 1 will come. So finally, this is the first column expressed as sum of the two terms. We can split determinant also sum of the two determinants. So first determinant you observe A, 1, 1, 1. If I take A common means first column, second, third column identical, determinant 0. Then second determinant P minus 1 into D, Q minus 1 into D, R minus 1 into D. D if I take common means P minus P, Q minus Q, R minus R. So C2 minus C1 if I take means that is also determinant will be 0. So finally value of the determinant always 0 only. So we have to give direct answer nothing but 0. So what is the whatever it may be AP, GP, HP they given means the determinant 99% 0 will come. So otherwise if you want you can expand like this, answers will come. Next, question number 21. The roots are determinant of x a b 1 lambda x b 1 lambda mu x1 lambda mu v1 are independent of first option lambda mu v, second option a b, third option lambda mu v a b, fourth option 0 comma a. So the roots, so how many roots are there? Whatever the roots, that roots are independent of among these, which one we have to calculate. Roots mean nothing but x values. You observe this determinant equal to 0 is there? Yes, equal to 0. You observe just what I am taking. R1 changes to R1 minus R3. R2 changes to R2 minus R3. R3 changes to R1 R2. R3 changes to R3 minus R4 because 4 rows are there. You observe. Lambda minus x, okay, x minus lambda, a minus x, 0, 0. R2 minus R3, x minus lambda, a minus mu, b minus b, 1 minus 1, R4 I will take. R4, R2 minus R4, 0, x minus mu, b minus v, 0, R3 minus R4, 0, then R3 minus R4, 0, x minus v, R3 minus R4, 0. No changes in R4. Lambda mu v1 equal to 0. Very clear. In the fourth column 0, 0, 0, 1. So if you expand along this column according to fourth column, what will get this determinant? Again this determinant also, this is the triangular matrix determinant. Product of the principal diagonal elements. So finally what we got here, x minus lambda into x minus mu into x minus v equal to 0. See, x value lambda mu v, so which is independent, depends on mu v. So you remember, this is not correct option, this is not correct option, this is not independent of mu a. So independent of a, b, here there is no a, b, so which option we can give? Exactly a comma b. So these are the roots which are not independent of a, b. This is the 21st question.